This icon opens our Stickers tab. Stickers are one of the revolutionary ways we are making it easy to texture 3D models. Within the Stickers panel, you will find 3 tabs. This tab contains a variety of fun pre-made decals that will work exactly like a sticker. Tap anywhere to create your selected sticker. Stickers can be applied on the canvas or wrapped onto 3D models. Whilst your sticker has a bounding box, it can be repositioned, rescaled, or rotated. On the side of the bounding box is a stamp icon. You can use this to apply multiple versions of the sticker across your creations. If you have finished with your sticker, you can apply a single version by pressing the tick icon. Whenever you're manipulating a sticker, you will see additional options in the side panel. These include sticker opacity, which alters the transparency of the sticker, or material options, which change the reflectivity and shine of a sticker when being applied to a 3D model. If you decide not to apply a sticker, then simply drag it off into an empty space or press the Escape key. You also have the option to Make 3D, which transforms the sticker to a flat layer in 3D space. In this tab, you will find textures. These are stickers that are specially designed to give material texture to your models. They have a soft edge, which makes them perfect for layering and overlapping. If you can't find what you're after, then there is a tab for custom stickers. Click the button to add a new sticker from your computer. You can use any image or photo as a sticker. Try searching for textures online, or take photos of textures that you find interesting. You can also turn images in your scene into stickers. Try using Magic Select to pop out part of your image, and then hit Make Sticker to use it on a model. Anything that you turn into a sticker will be added into your custom sticker collection to use again later in the session.